Unlock the cinematic powerhouse within your Nikon Z8 and capture professional-grade video like never before. First, let's dive into the heart of exceptional video resolution and frame rate for ultimate flexibility and stunning detail. I highly recommend shooting in 4K UHD. And for that cinematic slow-motion magic, opt for frame rates of 120p. This combination gives you incredible detail and the ability to create beautiful, smooth slow-motion sequences. Navigate to the video settings menu and select your desired resolution and frame rate. Next, picture profiles are crucial for controlling the look and feel of your footage. For maximum dynamic range and grading flexibility, the top choice is log. This flat profile captures the most information, allowing you to push your colors and contrast in post-production. Ensure you've selected the log profile within the picture control settings. If you prefer a more ready toga look, consider the HLG profile for HDR compatibility. Audio is half the story, so let's ensure yours sounds as good as it looks. Connect your external microphone and then head to the audio settings here. You'll want to enable manual audio level control. This gives you precise command over your recording volume, preventing clipping and ensuring a clear audio signal. Experiment with the input levels to find what works best for your environment and microphone. Finally, mastering these settings while Euro 4K UHD at 120p, log for ultimate grading, and manual audio control while Euro will dramatically elevate your Nikon Z8 video output. Remember, practice and experimentation are key to finding your unique visual style.